Our optic just landed. Y'all already know we rock with Crimson Trace, y'all. All right, now this is the Crimson Trace RAD Pro, as you can see. All right, this is a green dot. It is a 5 MOA. It does have the CT radiant light sensors and the CT motion on and off sensor. So basically, if you leave it on for 8 hours, whether accidentally or intentionally, it will auto shut off itself. But if you just want to use the shake awake on it, it does have that shake awake feature, y'all. There it is. It's pretty nice window. Yeah. Also, this is made out of a 70-75 aluminum. All right, let's go ahead and release this. From that. Wow. Looking good, y'all. Looking good. Yeah, we got us another one. And it does come with your cover. Really like these covers. Comes with your battery. It does take a CR1632. Okay. And if you happen to forget it, it'll also be written on the back of the cap. It comes with a mount for your rail in case you want to run this on your, rail mount or something. Or as a rail mount, shall I say. Comes with your screws. Comes with this super awesome adjustment tool, and for your battery cap. Got another sticker, y'all. There it is. And of course, it does come with your certified Crimson Trace cloth to clean your lens with. And everybody read your manual. Okay, so let's put this up, let's set up, and let's get the party going. All right, everybody, we're back. We're set up, I believe. So for the optic screws to hold down the optic onto the plate, we will be using some spare screws that we have from our Vortex Venom optics. All right, the ones that actually come with the Crimson Trace, they're too long, and if they're not too long, they're too short. Well, not too short, they're too thin, that these optic plate holes or threads it just won't fit it. Y'all know we like to use blue Loctite. We hope everybody's having a wonderful day out there. You deserve it. You deserve it. Don't think none less of it. Now, man, let's go ahead and drop that screw down. Grab another screw. Put a little dip dabble. Now we do like to let this sit for at least 24 hours. Once we've mounted the optic, whether the optic or the plate, we just let it sit on there before actually taking it out for a run. That's pretty much it, y'all. Don't need to put any more into it. That's it. It's really that easy. And now we'll just go ahead and let's set this up here. So y'all can see. If you ever forget your battery size, it's underneath the battery cap, okay? CR1632. All right, y'all know I don't like to touch the battery. Just get it on there. And you just basically press it in. Sometimes you'll hear it snap in. But for the most part, you can just feel it basically suck that battery down. Let's see if it's gonna even out to the back or point to the back, y'all. Look like it is. That's just so amazing how Crimson Trace managed to have all of their battery caps to point like that. So amazing. Let's see, let's move this back a little bit. And the dot is on. Oh yeah, the dot is on. And it looks very awesome. Y'all can see it right there. Turn this off. Help you see a little bit better. There it is. Now it does have the auto adjust feature, which is what it's doing right now. Since it's dark, it will dim on its own, and then when the light comes back on, it will brighten back up, as you can see. Pretty amazing, pretty awesome. Really like the Crimson Trace optic. So now let's go ahead and set this down right here, and there she go, y'all. Oh yeah, she looks super sexy. Way better than what she was before. Absolutely. She's very well lubed, y'all. Very well lubed. Go ahead and dry that off. Oh yeah. Real easy going there, y'all. Real easy going. That green dot, y'all. No matter where you put it, man, it's right there. You can barely really see the front sight on this fiber optic front sight. I don't know what the deal is on that, but that's what it is. That is the green dot, y'all. I know it looked like there's two dots, but that's basically the reflection. Let me turn this light off. There we go. That should be a lot better for y'all to visualize. Oh yeah. It's sexy. Oh yeah. We rotate. Yeah, baby. There it go, y'all. Oh yeah. We are rotate. Yep. Now we just gotta get used to them, practice a little bit more, and we can get these prodigies out there. Yeah. These are the 2023 prodigies, y'all, with that crimson trace. Don't call it twins. Oh, by the way, let me go ahead and do this. It is empty. You can see straight through it. Right? And this is empty. Uh-oh. I'll let it go. You can see straight through it. So that's what they looking like, y'all. That's what they looking like on the fronts. Yes. Oh yeah. Look nice, y'all. Look nice. 2023 Prodigy. Ooh. Got y'all a little squirt there. There it is, y'all. Crimson trace. Fix that right there. Crimson trace. Got it going on for us. I mean, 2023 Prodigy. Hey, if y'all haven't got one yet, and you know y'all heard a lot of negative stuff about it, man, just delete that off your mind frame. Go to the range, go to the store, go try them out. You know, try it out before you start believing what everybody else is saying. Y'all see how we running them? Know what I mean? So with all that being said, y'all stay tuned, because this got to get on that track, y'all. You know, if you don't know what that means, you'll figure it out when you stay tuned. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we drop that video, where it's gonna show you when we put them out on that track. You know what I mean? Anyway, with all that being said, me and Turkey over here for the clean up and put up. So remember, you can fix it too. On that note, y'all be safe out there. Peace. Oh yeah, stay hydrated, cause it's hot. And stay cool, cause it's hot. Peace.